we have our colleague from American Institute of Pakistan Studies, Mr. Nadeem Akbar. Hopefully he is with us. He is always called to us for any program that we conduct from the Inter-University Consortium or any other side. Director from the American Institute of Pakistan Studies, Mr. Nadeem Akbar. Nadeem sir, are you with us?
Yes, Dr. Saab, thank you so much. And it's been a pleasure talking to all of you and listening to all of the colleagues from different parts of the world. I just have to say, like, it's a very, very interesting as well as productive exercise that was conducted by our very energetic colleague, Mr. Murtaza. And we thank our colleagues from Halling Center. Sanem was with us in this concluding session today. They had been, without their support, it had not been possible for us to be on this particular forum, talking to each other and learning from each other. So it's been very, very helpful as well to share experiences and to find what is happening and how universities are responding in this new situation that has hit all parts of the world. And as Sanam was rightly mentioning, there would be more, I mean, of course there will be certain new programs coming up through all these different universities using these digital platforms, even if we resume our normal business. So I think bringing them together under this higher education consortium platform and higher education symposium that Halling Center is planning for the next couple of years would be a very fruitful and useful exercise because I think this will be an ongoing learning from all of us as the situation, if the situation prevails and how it unfolds. So I think with every day passing, we learn something new coming up under this COVID situation. And being a human being, and it has also given us a kind of like a stimulating ability now to respond to these sort of challenges and then bring some new creativity in our daily life, not only in teaching life, but also in learning through these various ways of teaching. So I congratulate the Inter-University Consortium, and of course, and I thanks Dr. Mukhtar for being a wonderful host and a moderator and a spirit behind all this very lively and productive activity. And I look forward to working closely with colleagues from all different parts of the world. I have already in my last talk, I shared some of the collaborations that we carried out with different US universities for Pakistani institutions. So I'll be more than happy to help and support colleagues from all other different universities who were part of this productive exercise. So thank you very much, Murtaza, for inviting me to be on this platform. And our support and our all of our like energy is there to help you in this particular program that you are foreseeing for the higher education leadership in Pakistan. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nadeem Saab.